Okay, Dad, feeding the birds Mauritian style. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I've put some bread out. Let's just see for a minute what comes. That yellow one is the most incredible colour. Just hop into the front. Oh, there you can see him in the light. Absolutely stunning. There's a little orange one. You might see him in a minute. At the moment he's on the wing mirror of the car. We're not sure if he's preening himself or if he's attacking his shadow in the mirror, but I'm going to try and get him on film at some point as well. Now the two missing are Bert and Ernie, who were here all day yesterday. There's a plane going over.